Hi all, so today we are going to solve the question for pre-quiz 1. Okay, so before we start to solve, here you should have the equation for z parameter. Okay, the question actually asked to find the z parameters for the circuit network, so you should have this one, this equation. And z11, you will get z11 when I2 equals to 0, where this is actually v1 over I1 when I2 equals to 0. Similarly, z21 also same, v2 over I1, you will have I2 equals to 0. So we are going to use the source elimination method. So here we eliminate I2 equals to 0 means no, this is actually open circuit over here. So here you have the voltage source v1, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and here you have the dependent source. This resistor no need to consider because no current over here, and v2 you represent it, okay, just that you don't have the I2. And since we have a 2 loops and 1 node, I'm going to use the nodal analysis. So let's say I label this as a A. Okay, point A. So here the current, this is actually I1, right? This is I1, this is unknown current. Let's say the direction actually like this, and this is actually this, follow the source direction. So here I1 equals to I1 plus 4I1 equals to VA over 2. This is one equation that we can form over here. And also I can specifically name this current. Okay, I can specifically form the equation for this current. This is actually what? 4I1, this current equals to V2 minus VA over 2. Okay, and here I can find what is VA. Okay, so VA, sorry, 8I1 equals to V2 minus VA. Okay, so this is actually, maybe we have a V2 over here, so we can use it to find the Z21, and for this case I think we can proceed with I1 for I1 VA over 2. So this is one equation, right? And for this current, specifically for this current, we can name it like a VA V2 V1 minus VA equals to over 1 equals to I1, and we try to get the VA over here. So V1 minus VA equals to I1, V1 minus I1 equals to VA. So this is one equation. Let's say we call it as equation 2. We substitute this over here, 2 in 1. So I1 plus 4I1 equals to V1 over I1 over 2. So I can multiply over here, 2I1 plus, supposedly I can add this one, sorry, I forgot to add. This is 5I1. So 10I1 equals to V1 minus I1. Okay, V1 equals to 11I1. So V1 over I1 equals to 11 ohm. This is actually Z11. So Z11 done. Next, for Z21, then we have to use this equation, expand this equation in terms of VA. VA is actually what? VA is V1 minus I1. So we just rewrite everything. 8I1 equals to V2 minus VA is V1 v1 minus I1. Okay, then we simplify this equation first. v2 minus v1 plus I1, 8I1. Okay, and this, if you can bring here, this is actually 9I1 equals to v2 minus v1. So we need to have the v2 and we need to eliminate the v1. Okay, so if you look back at this equation, let's look back at this equation. v1 equals to 11I1. So from there you actually can write 9I1 equals to v2 minus 11I1. Okay. I just checked back this equation. It looks like something wrong. 8I1 v2 minus va. Okay, here actually wrong, something wrong. 8 minus 1, it should be, sorry for the mistake. 8 minus 1 is actually 7. 7I1. Sorry, here it is also 7. So here you have v2 equals to 18I1. So v2 over I1 equals to 18 ohm. This is actually the Z22. So this solution we got after we make I2 equals to 0. For the first case we find the Z11 and Z21, and for the second case we will turn off the side current. So you will have this resistor, and then this current source over here. This current source also eliminated. You know why? Because I1 equals to 0, right? So this is for I1, this is also 0, and if you have a resistor over here, right, 1 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, and here you have V2. This one you still have the V1, label the V1. This is I2. Okay, actually you can have like a one single loop also for this equation, because if you want to do not also okay, but we only have a single loop, that's also can, no issue. So here you can write the loop means this is actually minus V2, this is actually I2, right? Sorry, plus I2 times 1, and then plus I2 times 2, and then plus I2 times another 2 again, equals to 0. So altogether you have like a negative V2 plus 5 I2 equals to 0. Okay, so V2 equals to 5 I2, V2 over I2 equals to 5 ohm. This is done for the case of Z22. And for this one, this is actually V1 equals to I2 times 2. Only this voltage across this resistance, that's actually defined as the V1, I2. So V1 over I2 equals to 2 ohm. This is Z12. So done. Okay, you also can use other method. You can use start with mesh here as well. Also you can try, or you are not using the elimination method. You will have like a different method where you keep everything and then you just compare with this equation. Also you can do whatever method you choose to do. Make sure you get the right answer. Okay, that's all. Thanks.